You know how long I don't see one guys? Oh wow. 2 o'clock my son just a wake up. You know how long me not see one? Me say I have a little mix up for you know. Whenever I want to give you know. Whenever I don't know say this is my place. I don't know some love Instagram if forever love you know. I'll when you don't see me every day, but this is my place. But and a long time I say me mix up. You don't notice I don't see me no mix up. Me I behave myself. Me I cool out, me happy. Good morning, afternoon. Me na, what's up, Pinto? Me in a good relationship right now. I'm happy. Tell us when them girls are miserable, you fuck. Them girls are miserable, you fuck, you know. So I say, but I go over TikTok, but I said, no, I'm start my Instagram. No matter who over here, because a long time when I come over here, I love you know. And I know say me, love owner to the end. Instagram build me. Instagram make people give me opportunity and thing where I will never, ever forget y'all. It's a rest day. So, me notice that the Yankee them a hang Nicki Minaj. Thank you, Destin. Them a hang Nicki Minaj over the Yankee side. You don't see? Them a hang Nicki. Right now, the way cheese hang Nicki that day, Nicki start go pick pan scissor. That's what she name? The girl named Scissor? No, man. Mom K, baby. She start pick pan Scissor over there. The Yankee them a hang Nicki Minaj in the comments. Me did I say Nicki for go on in the Yankee play area. But me feel sorry for her. She can't stay over TikTok. Hey, me say, them a hang Nicki. What's up, Armani? A Scissor, me say it right here. Come in and know. I like her though. I like Scissor. Nicki gone pick pan poor little Scissor. Them a angle her in the Yankee comments them. Then them a said Nicki I'll go mention Jay-Z. A rich people business this though, my love. Them say we should have put on my alien face. Them say Nicki I'll call Beyonce name and know say the husband Jay-Z not like her. Him not in her right now, bro. Eh? You there? Or Peter husband. Oh, you so rude there where you tell people about them pedophile husband. Behave yourself, man. You're too rude. You're not rude in the comments, you know. But no, man. Why you never answer cheese? You should have answered cheese. And that you should have done Nicki car. I'll know the time you gone over to Scissor, better you did answer blood clot cheese. Cause the Yankee them angle you. Although cheese with a angle you. No go pan alive with cheese still. Cause cheese I go dismantle you and bring you down. And you can't manage cheese. Stick to your rap music. You can't angle cheese. Cause let me tell you something. One thing about with Jamaican. We could have broke her hungry. Nobody no more than we. We could have broke her hungry. Nobody no more than we. Me know why you not answer cheese. But better you did answer cheese. You shouldn't go over the Yankee side and just start like you turn overnight bully. I take what you learn from the Jamaican community. I run over to the Yankee side. I try to use it upon them. Because them a angle you. Hey, all them comments there. When I'm looking at the comments, them, oh God, oh, them had all deal with Nicki Minaj husband. Alison, big up yourself. Shanti, big up yourself. Yeah, them a angle Nicki in the comments. The Yankee, them a angle her, tell her she need to go come off. All them all I call Nicki cokehead. I say a long time she had trouble people. Nicki remember say we come from Southside Queens, you know. We no behave, so. You understand? We not really too behave, so we come from Southside Jamaica, Queens, where it's crazy. We not behave, so my girl. Nicki, better you didn't go answer back cheese. You argue with poor little Scissor. What Scissor do you? Go back in our Jamaican community though, over TikTok. Stay over there, so. Because the Yankee them are angry, because you see the little... You see the one them over Jamaican TikTok, them licky, right? So you can't do nothing wrong enough for them as long as you dash out lion and them something there. But you see, when your money slow down, Nikki, them gonna start style you. That's why you have to disappear gracefully the other day. Cause you get too enough. You get too enough. But you not answer back cheese though. You can't even send blame them for cheese. A waste of time that. You have to go answer. What's up, my queen? You have to go answer back. You have to answer back cheese. Before, cause it just, why? But did I tell Nikki if you go back in the Jamaican community, with the American community all day, but you don't look good. Stay on the Jamaican side. Cause you're coming as now. You're like a regular degler too. You see like how the Yankee them a deal with you. The Yankee deal with you like you're nobody. The Yankee them deal with you like you're nobody. The Yankee them basically just was like, basically I say, yeah, you sold records. Yeah, you did this. We don't care. Yeah, you was the queen. Yeah. Them not give a fuck. I hear them over Jamaica tip that Nicki Minaj the queen. No, them angle you up on the Yankee side. Them angle you got. Me don't know if it, maybe if you answer cheese, you might get a bus back. Me don't know. No, me don't know if I tell you. But that was a little mix up, guys. I'm not stay too long. I missed you guys. But yeah. I did my hair yesterday. It is so nice. Little boho braids. Yeah, I can't really see. It's small as shit and tight as fuck. That's why I'm still laying in my bed. I slept 7 hours in the chair yesterday. But she did a great job. I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to take a picture and post. Let y'all see. Yeah. I'm going to let y'all see. I'm going to take a picture and post and tag it finally. Shit's as small as shit. 7 hours in a chair. This shit is not coming out no time soon. My son said, can she sing for me? He's 5. No, Papa Chulo, me can't sing. Me can't sing, Papa Chulo. I don't know if I sing. And the one song where me have too explicit for sing for you. Me look like singer. At least them never say me ugly, cause you know, so the pitney them rude. And them pitney, them not even rude, you know. But if you want to know the truth, ask a child a question. Then we give them honest opinion. And pitney not care what them say. Anyway, guys, I see me start name on the pay things. I'm gonna have a plan to stay up here. Cause you know, my pastor name is Kishon. Tell him to catch me next time. I'm have to catch up on her next time. Cause I am not a singer. Thank you.